In today's video, I am going to teach you how to teleport to your last death point in Minecraft 26.1.2, Updated 2026 Guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition. From there, either create a new world or open an existing world where you want to return to your last death location. Once the world finishes loading, make sure your character is fully in the game and ready to use commands. Before you continue, commands need to be enabled in that world. If cheats are not turned on, this method will not work. If you are in a single-player world, you can enable cheats when creating the world, or temporarily allow cheats through the pause menu if that option is available. If you are on a server, you will need permission to use teleport and data commands. Once you are in the world, press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat window. This is where you will enter the command that shows your last death location. In the chat box, type /data get entity at s last death location, then press enter. The game will display your last death coordinates in the chat. After that, look closely at the values shown for X, Y, and Z. These three numbers mark the exact place where your character last died. You will need to use those same coordinates in the teleport command, so take a moment to note them carefully.
Now, open chat again by pressing T, type /TP at SES, followed by the X, Y, and Z coordinates from the previous command. Replace the coordinate placeholders with the actual numbers shown in chat. Once the full command is entered correctly, press enter.
Your character will instantly teleport to that last death point. If the teleport does not work, check that you copied the coordinates exactly as shown. Also make sure the commands were entered correctly and that you have permission to use them in that world. Even a small typing mistake can stop the command from working. This method is useful if you want to recover dropped items quickly after dying, especially if your death point is far from your current location. It is a simple way to get back to the exact coordinates without searching manually. That covers everything you need to know.